Hey YouTube, A Maze here. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I guess you probably thought I was going to say back again with another video. Well, I am, and I'm glad you're here too. Alright, so if you're wondering, A Maze, what's going on? Why are we doing this at night? Because this video is special, okay? I want you guys to be happy, okay? I am your coach. I know that's what you want for yourself, and that's why you're here. So, nighttime is a good time, the best time. You know, the energy slows down so you can calm yourself, okay? We all are familiar that, you know, your brainwave states go down. We'll say like 20 minutes prior to you getting sleepy, you got that theta brainwave state, all right? The same brainwave state you're in up to age 7. So your subconscious mind is very, very ready and strong. It's ready for whatever you want to feed it, okay? So this evening we're going to discuss, I have 6 tips for you. 6 things you can do and take in, absorb, you know, internalize, keep with you, live by, all that stuff. Y'all know I'll go on. This will help you, okay? You're going to be happy. It doesn't matter where you live, who you meet. You're going to be able to keep yourself at a vibration that you're satisfied with when you live by and follow these 6 tips that I've got for you, okay? So without further ado, friends, let's get to it. Now, the first one is, let ease be the order of the day. What does that mean, A Maze? Simply put, if you insist upon having a life of ease, that's what you'll get. It doesn't mean that stressful situations won't arise. That's not what it means. What it means is you will be able to use them to your advantage. Your paradigm shift will change. You will view adversity as an opportunity, something that you can overcome with ease. And we'll get into more detail about that in a minute, but you'll overcome these adversities. And that's where your strengthening will come in, okay? Your expansion, your betterment through the obstacles, the unfavorable conditions. So when you meditate or visualize or just talk to yourself, give yourself self-talk, and you say, my life is supposed to be easy. If you say that as a self-affirming statement and you're consistent with it, what tends to happen, what's gonna happen, is you're gonna be able to, you're gonna have energy like no other. You know, you won't need those Red Bulls and stuff because you'll have good, fresh ideas. You'll feel more at peace. You'll be able to adjust better. Lots of things, you'll handle people better. You know, you'll see. All right. So always ask yourself, you know, at integral parts of the day, whatever you're doing, am I feeling ease? If you're not, then you must make those adjustments, okay? Moving on, guys, because we can keep talking about this, but we'll never get to the other ones. Stay tuned for the next video. We got more details to discuss. All right, number 2, put yourself first, all right? I'm not encouraging you to be self-centered. I'm teaching you to go within. Putting yourself first means go within, all right? And listen to your intuition. Allow your intuition to guide you. That's going to guide others. So if you have a relative or somebody you care about who's, you know, who asks you for a lot of things or expects a lot from you, and you feel compelled to say yes, and if they get offended if you say no, don't let any of that deter you, make you feel bad. Take the way they feel about you out of your mental equation because it'll block you from your intuition. Okay, trusting in the universe comes in all of these things because, you know, the 3D world is in our face. We need to trust in the universe. We have to do these self-affirming things to remind ourselves that no, there's no need to worry about this outcome because my intuition said do A, B, C, and D. If you do what your intuition says to do, then outcome, there's no need to worry about an outcome. All right, everything works out in your favor regardless, and it works out in the favor of others. Okay, Moving on. Number 3. Write down all of the things you love about yourself. Oh, you must do that. Right before you go to bed. Or at least when you're at your most relaxed state at night. Because again, the nighttime energy is different. And then you can make a conscious effort to put yourself into relaxation mode. Okay? Drink some herbal tea. Listen to guided meditation on YouTube. Do something like that. Do breathing techniques. Okay? And when you do that, sit down at your table. Okay? Somewhere comfy and cozy and quiet. Write down all the things you love about yourself. And while you're doing it, conjure up the emotion of love. You can think about other people, your children, your spouse, whatever it takes, but conjure up the emotion of love while you list the things that you love about yourself. Do this ritualistically, okay? Make it a habitual ritual. Making it a habitual ritual. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna stick to coaching. I'm not no record deals for AMAs. All right, moving on to number 4. Have patience with self. Okay, can't stress it enough. Because after all, this spiritual journey is a journey you're taking with yourself, your inner being. You got angel guides. You're never alone, but they're teaching you and showing you. So be patient. Don't say, when is my manifestations coming? I'm in a bad mood. Am I ever going to be happy? Of course. And when you're not in a good mood, and when you are sick, and when you are angry, or you are sad, and all of those things, right? You can hold on to that, right? And then guess what? When a good day does show up, when you do feel better, you be like, wow, I needed something to compare this to. And you can also say, without these days, these great ones that I love so much can't exist. So remember that, okay? Hang in there. Patience with self. Hang in there. Can't have a good day without a bad one. Vice versa. All right. Number 5. Nightly reflection, okay? Do it when scripting. When scripting, conjure up emotions of happiness, peace, ease, security, health, wealth. All right. Nightly reflection, you can do it verbally. You can do it on paper. But just think about how your day went. Was it good for you? Did you feel good today? Did you feel bad today? How did you handle your unfavorable conditions? How you gonna handle them later? You can do things like say, you can say to yourself, well, let's just say, for example, you caught the bus all day and it was a smooth day. The buses came right on time. You got it was a good day. And you go home and you say, I like the way today went. The feeling I had was amazing. This is my state of being. This is who I am. And then however you felt, you can express it. Remember, anything you put after I am becomes you. So you can say, I am smooth. I am peace. I am calm. I am a success. You can do that. If you liked how you felt the whole day, take a note of how you felt and put it into an I am self-affirming statement. Do it in the mirror. And then do it right before you go to sleep. Do it while you're listening to guided meditation by binaural beats. Do it as much as called for. Do it until it's fun. Don't make a chore out of it. That's why you got to take it step by step. When it starts to feel stressful, let it go. But as long as it feels fun, like you're progressing, like you're doing, it's making you feel alive, keep doing it. Keep doing it. In my personal opinion, there's no such thing as performing too many rituals, as long as you feel it in your soul and it's resonating with you and you're like, ooh, this is keeping me feeling alive. When you do something or talk about something, do it for no other reason other than just to feel good. Because it's all about good, high-flying vibes here, guys, okay? Number 6. And final one, 6. Oh, I always hate when these is over. I love talking to you guys. That's why I'm going to make another video for tomorrow. Number 6. Focus on what feels good. Again, take your mind to places you like. All right? Now, here's something I'm not saying anybody feels this way, but just in case someone does, you might like something that belongs to someone else. You might want somebody's house. You might want somebody's spouse. Either way, okay, listen. You can say to the universe, I would like for you to send me what is divinely mine in divine time, okay? Because we can't help what we like, but you know what? We're presented with things for a reason. Maybe the universe presented this to you to show you that this is what is in store for you if you want it. So if you want something, you're eyeing something that belongs to someone else rather than coveting someone else's things. You can just say, this is an example of what I would like for myself, universe. You know, something of that nature. And you work with the universe. You can say, universe, I'm not sure. I'm learning myself still. But so far, this is what I know. Either way, you get what's best for you in divine timing. Okay? Why? Because you want what's best for yourself. And the universe is more than your best friend. So if you say to the universe, I think A, B, C, and D is best for me, and I want what's best for me. And if you act as if you know that you want what's best for you, that's the vibration you put in the universe. You get back what's best for you. It's really that simple, guys. Look, there's nothing complicated to any of this. The only thing about it is we get caught up because we either stop believing, we think something's taking too long, or something like that. But the point is, guys, it's all simple. It's just whoever you are is what you will get. All right, guys. So I think that about covers it. So with those 6 things that you keep in mind, use them how you will to make ritualistic habits for yourself, okay? When you internalize these things, watch the change in yourself. I promise you're going to love yourself even more than you already do. It's only when we realize that we are great is when we can make greatness come alive. All right. Now, guys, if you have any questions for me, you can contact me through my email. You'll find it down below in the description box. Also, you can hit me up on my Facebook fan page, and you can DM me on Instagram. I have videos that I post on Instagram as well. I have a whole Instagram series. So you can watch me on Instagram, my Facebook fan page. I got videos there, and here YouTube, guys. So it's no excuse. No excuse not to hook up with your coach, A. Mays. All right. See what else. Oh yeah, another announcement. So in case you missed the announcement before, I am currently a student at the Transformation Academy. Okay, I am studying in 4 specialized areas of life coaching. All right, and I'm going to earn my master's coaching certificate pretty soon, right? Yay! So anyway, in honor of my great accomplishment, I'm offering free coaching sessions. Okay. To anyone out there that's interested in a coaching session, a free 20-minute coaching session, all right, hit me up on any of my social media. I would like to know only serious inquiries answered. And if you send me an inquiry and it's serious, I will respond. I promise you, okay? That's about it. I got a quote, though, before I go. Here we go. Happiness is when you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Said by Mahatma Gandhi. All right, y'all. All right, stay up. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.